Hello and Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is your host Farhan Iqbal and you're watching News Point. So I am here with you with yet another episode of our stock series. In the last video I spoke about, I believe, I recommended DocuSign, I recommended Datadog and Ron. All of these stocks are very close to the targets which I said they are good for buying. I said DocuSign is good around 200, Datadog is good around 80, and Run is good below 60. It went, I believe, even close to 50, which is great. If you have bought this stock, that's a great, it would go up. In today's video, rather than recommending multiple stocks, I'm just going to talk about the EV sector in general, and I'm going to take a look at the Tesla stock. So Tesla stock, as we know, is the leader for the EV stocks. When Tesla moves up, then all other EV players follow it. When Tesla moves up, NIO goes up, XPEP goes up, LI goes up, RMO goes up. So basically all the CCIV I would say maybe is in a different league because it's there was lots of hype, and then after the merger now the hype is maybe reduced. So maybe CCIV would not follow Tesla that much, but all the other EV players, especially NIO, follows it very closely. So let's take a look at the Tesla stock and let's see what could be a good buy price, and then what is the price target in the near to long term future. So as I mentioned, today I wanted to talk about Tesla stock. So as we know that Tesla hit an all-time high of 900, and then it was cooling off, went a little bit high, very close to 900 again, and then it started selling off. I was hoping that it would bounce from 750s. However, I believe in sometime around that time, just overall markets started going down, especially the tech stocks. And then this happened and Tesla hit long-term support at 540. I believe it was close to its 100-day moving average. But then from 540, 550, it moved up. Now it went down again, but on Friday it closed above 650. And this is a very bullish signal. I believe now it would start going up from here. So next week, I am hoping that Tesla would see 700 and maybe even 750 on a bullish run. I believe now it would not probably go to 540s again. I believe now from here it would go up, or maybe if it goes down, then it would maybe touch this line around 600 only. It would not go to below its previous lows. So if you haven't taken a position in Tesla yet, then you can take a small position around its current price of 650, and if it drops close to 600, then you can add more. I do not think that now it will go to its previous low of 550 in this year, and by the end of year this would definitely be a $1,250 stock. Kathy Woods from ARK Investment has given it a price target of, I believe now, $4,000 by end of 2025. I believe that Tesla at 650, around 600 is a great buy. So if you do not have this stock, add this stock to your portfolio, maybe buy 2 shares, maybe buy 5 shares, and then you can add more if it dips to 600. But in the long run, this stock will definitely keep going up for a much longer time, because although it has made an exponential growth, but still there is a long way to go. So if you do not have bought this stock, you can take a position around 650, add more at 600. In 3 to 4 months, it would go back, not only go back to its previous highs of 900, but it will break its previous highs and will go to 1200, 1250. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up. If you still haven't subscribed to our channel, consider subscribing to our channel. If you are not in Canada yet, you can start trading with your paper trades. You can follow my video on how to open trading accounts in Canada. And with almost all of those brokers, you can open account with your virtual money only, so that you can practice, and then once you feel comfortable, then you can invest with your real money. Until next time, this is your host Farhan Iqbal signing off. Assalam.